Hi everyone, today let's solve a Leetcode question called reverse linked list. So given the linked list, we want to reverse that linked list and return the reverse linked list. Now let's check example 1. So example 1 is starting at 1 and all the way to 5, right? If we reverse the linked list, we'll instead starting at 5 and all the way to the 1. Okay, so I think the description of this question is quite straightforward. Now let's think about how to solve the problem. So if you have watched my previous linked list video, you will know I would prefer write codes and explain the code line by line using graph and join accompany code. Okay, so let's quickly scroll the coding part and now explain using graph join. So first thing to consider if there's no head or no head on X. This means okay, if no element we just return none, but if the single element we do not need to reverse, so we need turn that single node. So let's use Pythonic way. If no head or head on X, they want to return head. Okay. Next thing is to initialize pre is now, and the current should be at head, right? And while current exists, the first thing you set next node curl, so it's curl.next, and then want to point curl to pre, so I'm reversing the link. After that was the pre to curl, so we are moving the pre to the current position and set the current to the next position, right? Finally, return the pre, and we get a real linked list after reversal. Okay, now let's think about the graph join. So let me draw a graph using this example. We have linked list 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the first thing to check in the corner cases, but here we have 3 nodes, so no need to check these corner cases. So next thing we see is to initialize the pre. So let's have pre here, and I will use different color. Where pre equal to none, so let's put it here. And then we need to initialize curl at head. So you see head is 1, so curl is here. And next one to run this while loop, we see curl is still valid, so we'll continue this while loop. The first thing to set next equal to curl.next, right? So just set next equal to here. It's node 2, right? And after that one to point curl.next to pre. So just change this one and point curl.next to pre. Okay, so let's use this red color here. But actually you see pre is none, right? So I think no need to join this line and just keep it as. The next thing to move pre to curl. So pre to curl. And after that, I want to move curl to next, right? So we are moving curl to next. Okay. So now we have finished the first iteration of this while loop. Then I want to check, okay, curl still valid at this step. Then I want to continue this while loop, right? If you continue this while loop, the first thing to set curl to next equal to next. So set this to next. And to point curl to next to pre. So we just clean this out and write the connection here, pointing curl to pre. After I want to set pre to curl and curl to next, right? So change this one and I want to write pre at here and curl will be here, right? Okay, now we find okay curl is still valid, so we want to continue running this while loop. So the first thing to set next equal to curl.next, but here we see a curl.next is actually none, right? So let's say next here, so it should be none. Okay, so next here. Okay, next thing to set curl.next equal to pre. So curl.next, let me draw it out here, equal to pre, right? And let's set pre to curl and curl.next. So clean this out. Write pre to here. And curl should be set to next, but you see next is actually none. Let's say the curl is also already none. So this two we are not using anymore. Okay, when we finish all this, we find the curl is none. So we are break out this while loop and return pre. And you see pre here is our new head, right? If we return pre, we are getting this entire linked list after reversal. So you see, the previously we had a linked list 1, 2, 3. But after the operation of our code, it becomes 3, 2, 1, right? So the result is correct. Okay, now finish the graph explanation and let's submit code to see it works. Okay, due to time capacity, memory usage of this solution is quite efficient, and the code is short and easy to understand. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Thank you.